What is up, guys? I am back, bro. Back again in the same spot. Car wash over there, and the Z sitting right there, all pretty and shit. You know. But right now, I actually forgot to record a few days ago at a new part that I got for the car. If you guys can guess what it is, comment down below. For those that follow me on social media, you guys already seen what it is. For those that haven't, I'll post my social media down below, and of course I'm going to show you guys what I got for the car. Can y'all notice what it is? Can y'all see it, bro? Bro, come on, bro. Some TEs, bro. Bro, I know I keep saying bro a lot, but dude, it looks so good. I know the fitment's kind of bad right now, but that's gonna get fixed not this weekend, hopefully the following weekend after this one, because this weekend we actually have Southern Fresh, and of course I'm trying to make the car look fresh. Head ass boy. But what do you guys think, man? I really like them. They fit the car. I got the pressed graphite, thinking it'll match with the accent of the Nismo right there. I mean, it kind of does. What do you guys think? I like it. And of course the red sticker match the calipers, match the whole entire Nismo portion of the car with the red accents, like on the mirror or the front bumper. I know that gotta be changed out, but man, it just makes the car look even better, dude. I know the fitment's kind of off on the front too, but that's gonna get fixed also, so don't worry about it. But what do you guys think? You guys let me know down below. I like it better than the V1s for sure. Also, guys, for all the people texting me and calling me and knocking on my door and sending me emails and all that, no, I am not going to sell the V1s. The V1s are actually going to go on my girl's car. And I got some bad news for my girlfriend's car. I'm not sure if you guys remember from the past videos that I've made. Her car was in the background and whatnot, the YQ50, but her car actually got wrecked and it's totaled. But she is getting another one hopefully soon. And of course the wheels are just waiting for her to get her car, and of course they're gonna get mounted and all this extra stuff, but of course that'll be another video to get into. But for those that want to know the specs on the wheels, on the back, they stay the same tire size, 285 35s. Of course they're still 19s. As far as the TEs go, they are 19 by 10.5 plus 12. And of course on the front, 19s by 9.5 plus 22. And I did upgrade on the tires. They're 255 35s. I mean, I like them, they look good, but I do need to change all this out and get that probably painted, or just buy some caps. I found a website that actually does sell the caps, and they fit very well and they don't come off. But I'm gonna get them, but not right now, because those shits are like $300, and I don't feel like spending that much after I already bought the TEs. But yeah, guys, I was just making this video, give it a little quick rundown of the car and then what I bought for it. Of course, my filming has been completely off. Some days I feel like filming, some days I don't, and today I feel like one of those days was a filming day-ish. I know I just got off work, but oh well. Bro, I cleaned it yesterday, and now I don't know how in the hell that shit even got there. I don't know. It does need some coating though, but of course I'm gonna get that fixed and all that shit. But as of now, guys, that is it. You guys let me know down below, what do you guys think of the car? What does it look like? Do you guys like it or not? If you like it, it's great. If you don't, well, hopefully you like it later after I do some more mods on it. But as of now, guys, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, just comment pretty down below if you don't, or you're ugly. You know how it is. I'll catch you guys on the next one.